Sales Copilot in Outlook. So first step is we will go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. We will go to Integrated Apps option. Click on Get Apps. Find Sales Copilot. Sales Copilot for Microsoft Outlook. Get it now. Configuration. Please notice that it is saying Microsoft Viva Sales. Reason being, Microsoft recently rebranded Microsoft Viva Sales as Microsoft Sales Copilot. As a admin, to which user you want to provide access? In my demo session, I'm using entire organization. Provide permissions. Next, finish deployment. Done. After deployment, it can take few minutes. Here it is. Please notice it's still saying Microsoft Viva Sales. As Microsoft recently rebranded as Microsoft Sales Copilot is in progress. So we have to wait further. Okay. Status is fine now. Now, the end user can easily use the Sales Copilot in the Outlook. See, there's no option like Sales Copilot over here. Click on Get Add-ins. Click on Admin Managed and find Sales Copilot. Add here. Now Sales Copilot for Microsoft Outlook is available to use for the end users. Now you can see we have option of Sales Copilot over here. Click on this option. Please notice that you're getting some options for the Copilot. Describe the email you want. Please provide me a soft denial email. So Copilot have provided you a draft for the soft denial. If you wish, you can use as it is, or if you wish, you can also modify it further. Reply to an inquiry. Make a proposal. Address a concern. So you can see Copilot is providing you various options in context of this email. Based on the content of email, it will provide you suggestions for the further drafts. If your Outlook is connected to Microsoft Dynamics as well, you can see more options over here. Save email to Dynamics, maybe in context of some account like so it will save the email in Microsoft Dynamics CRM in context of this account. So here we learned how to install Sales Copilot for Outlook, how to use Sales Copilot with Outlook, and how to connect record to dynamic CRM. Thank you. Sales Copilot in Microsoft Teams. Our first step is we will go to Microsoft Teams Admin Center. We'll go to Team Apps, Setup Policies. We will add a new policy over here. For purpose of this demonstration, I already created a policy to save our time. My policy. Here I have added Sales Copilot. The reason I already added Sales Copilot over here because after adding an installation, changes take place in few hours. And to save our time, I have skipped this step for you. Similarly, under Pin Apps, I have added Sales Copilot. So at admin level, we have done settings for the Sales Copilot deployment. Now we move to Microsoft Outlook. Make a new meeting. Please watch this step very carefully. Make sure this option is enabled, Teams meeting. I also tried creating meeting in Microsoft Teams, but I noticed in that case, Copilot don't work. So make sure you create meeting from Microsoft Outlook and enable this option. Step 3 is I'll go to my Microsoft Teams. I'll tell other salesperson or my customer to log in and to start meeting with me. Before that, I have to cross check whether Sales Copilot is visible over here or not. In that case, in case it's not visible, you click over here, choose Sales Copilot, and save. Okay, now it's time to start meeting. Let me join the meeting. We have to make sure we have to record and transcribe, else summary will not generate with Copilot. So you notice that we just finished the meeting. Now we'll go to chat. We have to wait for some time. Here comes, you can see notification, your meeting summary is ready. So in summary, we have 3 tabs: recap, mention, details. And details is talk about who were the participants of meeting, complete transcript, and also recorded version of the call. In recap, it tried to capture highlights. Participant talk about company repairing electronic devices. It mentioned about Microsoft, it mentioned about Dynamics, other keywords, people. So it tried to capture some golden words that you can use for your business. So more intense is conversation, better are highlights. Under sentiments, you can see neutral sentiment and positive sentiments. In case customer is unhappy and he use some negative words, probably you see negative sentiments over here. So this way you can save your time and energy by using the Copilot sales summary in Microsoft Teams. How to create Dynamics 365 free trial with personal email ID. You can see options over here for sales, service, marketing, customer data platform, commerce, finance operations, business central, supply chain, and human resources. The procedure to create trial is same for every product. So let me start for sales. Let me click on try for free. Here I am going to give my personal email ID. By using work email ID or corporate email ID is quite easy to create, but when you use personal email ID, you have to do some extra steps. You can notice that it asking me some extra information as I entered my personal email address. Give any company name, maybe ABCD, size. I suggest to choose US as country because many times all of the features are not available in all the regions. And also preview features come first generally in US. You can see that sales trial is available to you now with your email ID. Please also note if you click on sales trial, if you type sales over here, you also find sales hub which contains more features than sales trial. Please note that when you create sales trial with personal email address, all of the functionality may not be available to you. For example, conversational intelligence is not available. So far we have learned how to create sales trial with personal email ID. This video is about how to use Microsoft Sales Copilot with Microsoft CRM. We will go to Sales, click on Opportunities. Open any opportunity. You can see this option of Sales Copilot is enabled by default. Let me click over here. Here we have 6 options. I'll show you step by step. First of all, I'll click on Summarize Opportunity. So I get the summary of this opportunity. So what is the origin of this information which is given in the summary? Basically, attributes or fields that is mentioned in the opportunity are used for the generation of summary. If you don't like this summary, it is further modifiable with the help of selection of fields that you want. Let me show you how to do that. Go to App Settings, Sales Copilot, Record Summary. So basically, it select first 7 field of the view that you selected over here. These all are system views which come by default, and you can also make your own system views based on the need of the customer. For example, instead of finance view, let me open all opportunities view. Let me save it. Let me go back to sales again, opportunities. Now you can see the summary given by Copilot is now a little bit different from the earlier summary. So you can customize the summary information from the app settings, Sales Copilot overview, and doing the selection of suitable view from here. When you're doing lead summary, you can do the same thing for leads from here. The way we generated summary for opportunity, same way we can do for the lead as well. Now we'll move to our next option, catch up on opportunity. Catch up on opportunity and catch up on lead work in a similar pattern. But before using this option, we have to check whether auditing is enabled or not. Go to sales, app settings, record catch up. This option must be enabled because once you enable this option, the first 10 field of selected view will be used to create catch up data. The pattern for opportunity and lead is same. Let me show you in demonstration now. Suppose on products, I want to give discount of 10%. Save it. When I choose option of catch up on opportunity, it will show me what changes I have done recently. So you need not to go to everywhere to find the changes you have done recently. By this option in Copilot, you can easily capture recent changes with the help of catch up. Now we'll see third option, show latest news for account. In this case, account is a datum over here. So Copilot is able to find all the public information available with the help of Bing. Last option is very important, prepare for upcoming meetings. So based on the data available in activities, for upcoming day, it will show the information to you. See, it is stating we have two meetings today at 10:30 and 4 p.m. You can select this one, click on prepare. Copilot is unable to prepare meeting points as there is no previous emails or notes with it. If you have emails or some notes, it will help you to give some more information about this meeting. Let me type some notes. Okay, you can see now CFO can give hints about discounts. So based on the emails and notes, it gives you some information for upcoming meetings. Now we will move to our next option, compose email. You can see over here, the compose option is gray out. Let me go to activities. Email. Now this option is enabled. Describe the email you want. Just so based on the request by you and the value in the fields of the opportunity, it suggests you a draft for the email that you can further modify if required. I hope you found this information useful. So this was a demo of Microsoft Sales Copilot with Microsoft CRM. Thank you. So our today's video is about Copilot in Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer service. Today we will talk about Copilot chat, Copilot email, top knowledge article suggestions by Smart Assist, top similar case suggestions by Smart Assist, case summary and conversation summary. So first of all, we're going to learn Copilot in customer service. I logged in as admin into customer service admin center. Go to agent experience and click on productivity. First option, Copilot help and click on manage. You can see this feature is still in preview, so it is available only for US English. Click this option, make Copilot available to agents. Also click for customer chat and for email. Once you enable these options, Copilot is available to agents. Sometime I noticed that Copilot features are not available under customer service workspace. In that case, we can do one thing. We can go to workspace, go to agent experience profile, click on manage. Default profiles we cannot modify, so we made a new profile and we have added a user into new profile like this one. The user must have role of customer service representative and Copilot preview option should be on. Now we will log into customer service workspace from this user. So we logged into customer service workspace with the user and we can see this option over here, Copilot preview. Here we have two options, ask a question and write an email. Let's go one by one. Let's say we type refund policy. So we waiting for the answer. Okay, we got the answer. We can also check the source of the answer from we got the answer from the knowledge article. We can also configure few external portals for search purpose. If you like article, you can click this button. If you don't like, you can click this button. You can copy the contents and use for the sharing purpose. Other feature is write an email. If you click on this option, it will tell you please open an email first. Let me go to a case. Activities. New email. So you can see multiple options are here. Suggest a call, request more information, empathize with feedback, and few other options. Let me click one of them. Resolve the customer problem. So AI generating response for us. For your information, AI always gives suggestions that you can modify as per your requirements. So this is a suggestion of the AI for an email, and you can modify or use it as it is for your customer copy, and you can also modify. If you don't like it, you can start again. So we have covered ask a question and write an email under Copilot for customer service. Thank you. In previous demo, we have covered Copilot. Now we're going to start our Smart Assist demo. Click on Inbox. Click on any case. On right side, you can see option Smart Assist. which came from here. Under Smart Assist, you will find two kind of suggestions. One is about knowledge articles, other is about similar cases. So system will give you top 3 article suggestions based on the relevance of the current open case. It will also show you level of confidence of AI for the suggested article. System will only show article which have confidence score 65% or high. If you find this article relevant, you can press yes. If you find this article irrelevant, you can press no. System will use this feedback for further improvements. If you wish, you can also link the article with the case from here. System will show you similar case suggestions which are resolved in past, which is almost similar to the current open case. Rest of options are similar to knowledge article like confidence score, relevancy, and link to case. First of all, we will log into Customer Service Admin Center. We'll go to Agent Experience, click on Productivity. So as we are going to cover summaries today, so we're going to click on Summary, Manage. First of all, we have to agree with terms of service. Okay, once we opt in, we have to click on option Make Case Summaries Available to Agents. Save and close. Now we will move to Customer Service Hub. Open any case. Please notice Copilot for case summary is based on generative AI. So you have to provide maximum data in the case in all the attributes in communication so that you can get useful case summaries. You can see now we have a case summary card generating case summary for you. So case summary is based on attributes and communication you done so far on this case. So it will save time of agents to go here and there and they can see everything in case summary. As we have discussed case summary, now we will move to conversation summary. Let's go back to Customer Service Admin Center. Productivity, summaries, live conversation summaries. So when you want summary, when an agent join a conversation, means when you doing a chat and you want to call somebody in the chat or you want to transfer chat, it means you have to choose this option. When conversation complete or end, you can choose this option. Or if you want on demand, you can choose this option. We also have this option, allow agent to create a case with a button in summary. In case you choose this option, you also see a button at the screen to create a case from conversation. Now go to Omnichannel Center. Now we will do a demo chat. First tap Open Agent app. You can see agent is available to chat or take calls. Second step, let's chat. What is status of case? Please notice that a conversation is going on and now you want the summary of this conversation. So it's quite easy. One option is you can click from here, summarize. Other option is end conversation. You will see conversation summary over here, and if you wish you can also create a case from here, or you can link a case from here. So this was all about conversation summary. Our today's video is about Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service Copilot with Outlook. So let's start our demonstration. First of all, we will go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center and we will go to Integrated Apps. Click on Get Apps. We will find Field Service for Outlook. Click on this. You can see Dynamics 365 Field Service for Outlook preview. Preview means Microsoft released this product as of now for testing purpose, and it's not final product. It will improve based on customer feedback before general availability. It is quite new and this can be used with all these Outlook versions. Let's add this product. Get it now. Entire organization. Next. Accept permissions. Next. Finish. Done. After deployment, it can take few minutes before it gets accessed by users. Let's go to Outlook. If open any email, click on three dots. This is nothing like Field Service Copilot. Look for Field Service Copilot. You have to add from here. Now we'll try again. Yeah, here comes Field Service Preview. Please don't confuse by Sales Copilot. For Sales Copilot, have another video that you can watch. The focus of this video is Field Service Copilot. Click on this one. Sign into Dynamics environment. Field Service. Here. Now we can see we have Copilot option over here. With the help of Copilot, based on this email, we can create work orders here itself. Click on this one. You can see over here, description issued by Copilot based on email contents that you can modify if required. So you can see you have created a work order in Field Service with the help of Copilot from Outlook itself. So this is our newly created work order. You can schedule from here or you can travel to service destination. Click here. So this was the video of Field Service Copilot with Outlook. Our today's topic is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Marketing with Copilot. Today we are going to learn two topics: marketing segments with Copilot and content ideas with Copilot. Let's move to demonstration. First of all, we have to check whether Copilot is enabled in our environment or not. Go to settings, features, find for Copilot. See, Copilot is in preview, so it is only available in English US. Make sure it is on. Then go to real-time marketing, go to segments. First of all, I'll show you how to create a segment in traditional way. So I want to find all the people who live in New York City in this segment. In this case, I have to have knowledge of data structures of my business. Let me save it. Other way is to create segment with the help of Copilot. New segment, segment 2. You can see predefined queries from Copilot, also known as Query Assist Copilot in case of new segments. You can choose any one of them, or you can also write your own one. Contacts who live in New York City. You notice that in this case, I'm just writing plain English and I have no knowledge of data structures behind our business. Create. So now query is building structure for the segment. Okay. Address one city is New York City. Use it. Okay. I can modify if required. Save. So you can see now we have segment ready with the help of Copilot. Let's go to the next step and create journey from this segment. I'm keeping all default options. Here in this journey, I want to create a promotional email. Send an email, new email. Okay, text. See this option Copilot. Click here and you want a promotional email. Okay, new product, sales, Copilot, train and get benefits for business. T lab access. So we define some keywords, key points, and we can also define the tone of the email. Adventurous, casual, engaged, formal, luxury. Let me choose engaged. Get ideas. So based on our inputs, we got some content ideas which looks very beautiful and very useful as well. So it is saving a lot of time for us. You can use any of them. Yeah, here it comes. You can see the Copilot content idea is in your promotional email. You can modify it further if required. So it is saving a lot of time and we don't have to start from scratch. So today we learned how to create segments with the help of Copilot and how to get content ideas for emails in marketing. Thank you. Copilot is powered by Microsoft Azure OpenAI services and it uses GPT. Copilot suggests AI generated responses based on various inputs. On this screen, this is the Business Central homepage. In this checklist, there is no item like Copilot. Let's click on items. Let's choose this chair. In details, there is no mention of Copilot. Reason being, Copilot is not configured to be used yet in this environment. So how to do that? Let's go to feature management. Here search for AI powered. Here enabled for change none to all users. Let me reopen Business Central. You can see now there is an option over here, create with Copilot. It means for the current user, Copilot feature is enabled. If I go to items, I choose any item. In details, I can see there is an option for marketing text, which is create with Copilot. Click on this one. If you want to edit further, click on edit, go to more settings, different input parameters, create draft. You can see the output. Casual, brief, create draft. Which can be modified further if you don't like it. So you notice that create with Copilot help us in creating marketing text for the items like chair and help us in saving our time and energy. Thank you. Focus of this video is Copilot with Dynamics 365 project operations. These Copilot features include task plan, risk assessment plan, and project status reports. Let's jump to demo how it works. This is the interface of project operations. You can see over here on this side there's no icon for Copilot. So first of all, we have to enable the Copilot in the project operations. Go to settings, go to parameters, click on the parameter, go to feature control and enable Copilot. As it shows Copilot preview, it means in coming weeks, in coming months, functionality may differ and enhance. It will take some time to enable. Now it's showing option of disable Copilot. It means Copilot has been enabled. Let's go to projects, create a new project. More is data, better predictions you will get. So let me save the project. Now you can see this Copilot is enabled. So it's also showing the chat window. Click on task. You can see there is no task defined as of now. So you can add tasks manually as a PM normally do. We can also auto-generate tasks with the help of Copilot. Task plan. It will generate up to 100 tasks in context of this project. So you can see AI have generated different tasks under different headings for this project, which you can further modify as per your requirement. Let me go to a single task. It's just suggested by AI. In case you want to modify anything over here, you can modify as per your requirement. So this was the demo for the generation of task plan for the project. We can also chat in context of this project and in general. So here we have discussed task plan generation and chat with Copilot in context of project operations. Power BI DEX queries with Copilot. We have opened Power BI desktop. Click on quick measure and see the option suggestions with Copilot. If this option is not enabled, in that case please check file, option and settings, options, preview features, quick measure suggestions. This should be enabled. Apart from this, you can also check on admin portal, Power BI app, admin portal, tenant settings, allow quick measure suggestions enabled. Once you enable both the settings, you should be able to see this option over here. When I click on this option, it tells me to sign in. After login, it will allow you to write your natural language queries instead of the DEX queries. Let me go by examples. How many products in helmet subcategory? Generate. So it gave me answer 3. Also, it provided me complete DEX query. As I mentioned, Copilot is evolving day by day. Copilot gives you suggestions, so please make sure you check the DEX query for its accuracy. The answer given by Copilot is 3. Let me recheck answer is right or wrong. So we'll go to product table. Subcategory. You can see it have only 3 products: blue, red and black. So answer is accurate. Let me go to query number 2. How many regions in North America? 6. Let me check. Regions. North America. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Total 6 regions in North America. Let me check for third query. Now you can see total sales on 18 Feb 2018 is this one. You can also see all the natural language query the writing over here, it giving you output and also DEX statements. In case DEX query is not very accurate, you can modify it further. So this was an example of Copilot for DEX queries, which is improving day by day based on customer feedback. Many Copilot features in Power BI are still in private preview, like describe your visual to get visual and getting summaries. Thank you. Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Copilot in Power Virtual Agent. By using Copilot, you can create a fully functional chatbot in few seconds and if required, further refine it with the help of Copilot. Let's jump to demo and see things in action. Thank you. We have logged into Power Virtual Agent. Click on Create a Bot. Give a name to bot, test bot, language English, and give the website name. It can be any public facing website or it can be any other knowledge base like SharePoint website. Click on Create. Click on Topics. Please notice there is no system topic, no custom topic. In traditional manner, we click on from blank, but here we have option create with Copilot. In topic like services. You can write any topic of your choice as per your business requirement in your natural language. Click on Create. See, the basic infrastructure of bot is ready that you can use on the spot. For example, hi. Notice that without writing a topic manually, this bot is ready for basic functionality. And you can modify functionality further as per your requirement with the help of Copilot. Fine. Now we move to our next topic. For example, we want a course on Microsoft Dynamics Copilot. The response of bot is not up to mark since there is no information with chatbot with this topic. So what to do? Remember, at time of setting up chatbot, we have given the name of website bizinnovate.com. Go to settings, AI capabilities. Yeah. See here, conversation boosting. It means as per my request, it will find the information on this website. This can be public website, it can be SharePoint domain or OneDrive. Again, I try this thing. This course is available on this website, but it's still showing no response. So what we can do, in bot content moderation, we may move from high to low. Let's save it. Now try same thing again. Now it is able to find information from a public portal like this one. So here you learned how to create a fully functional chatbot with the help of Copilot without any manual efforts, and how to use conversation boosters. The information in this module applies to Microsoft 365 Copilot Early Access program and invite-only paid preview program for commercial customers. Details are subject to change as Copilot becomes generally available very soon. Please consider few points. Microsoft 365 Copilot is in paid private preview. There are currently about 600 enterprise customers worldwide that have been paying for invitation only paid private preview for past few months. General availability is expected in coming months. Microsoft not released date yet. It is priced at 30 USD per user per month for Microsoft 365 E5, E3, Business Standard and Business Premium customer when generally available. Microsoft 365 Copilot uses your existing permissions and policies, building on top of existing commitments to data security and data privacy in the enterprise. This means it is important to have good content management practices in the first place. Microsoft 365 Copilot follows Microsoft's comprehensive approach to security, compliance, and privacy. Copilot does not use customer data or user prompt to train the foundation. Microsoft does not claim ownership of content created by Copilot capabilities. Since Microsoft 365 Copilot is not available in public preview or generally available, so we will not see demo sessions, but we will talk about capability of Microsoft 365 Copilot in different apps. Copilot in Excel. Ask questions in NLP to analyze data and then ask follow-up questions to deep dive further. Visualize data in colorful way. Create graphs based on query studio data. Copilot in Outlook. Prioritize important emails, summarize long emails, provide context-specific draft suggestions. You can mention specifics like you want shorter or long draft and what kind of tone like professional or casual. Copilot in Word can draft business proposals and other documents based on your existing documents or from scratch. It can help you format with images further and with other formatting elements. It can help you to create document summary. It can help you to create FAQ. Copilot in PowerPoint. Do not start from scratch. Just make beautiful PPTs from just defining few words. You can make PPT based on Word documents. Convert text slides to image-centric presentations and also animate them. Generate speaker notes for you. Copilot in Microsoft Teams. Summarize meetings, capture unanswered questions, highlight main contents and notes, capture action items for meeting attendees, cross-question citations from transcript. One of the standout features of Copilot is its ability to learn and evolve. Your interaction with Copilot are important. As you accept or decline its suggestions, it uses reinforcement learning to fine-tune future recommendations. I trust you enjoy learning Microsoft Copilot. We have covered fundamentals of Copilot so far. We also discussed how Copilot works. We have seen demonstrations of Copilot in Microsoft Dynamics and Power Platform. We have talked about Microsoft 365 Copilot capabilities. Once this product is available to all, I'll prepare demonstrations for Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Teams, and will release updates very soon. I will create demonstrations of this and update the course accordingly. Keep learning to empower yourself. Thank you. Happy learning ahead. Let's go for practice test now.